Hey Jaguars, welcome to your final week of school for the 2020-2021 school year. You have been amazing leaders, discovering ways to use your ideas and hands to change the world. It's time to close out our year with several announcements. Our menu for the week is as follows. On Monday, chicken and waffle. Tuesday, manager's choice. And on Wednesday, a wow bag lunch. You will also be given a weekend meal bag to take home with you on Wednesday. And on Thursday and Friday, well, you'll be eating lunch from home because you're on summer break. Beginning on Tuesday, June the 1st, summer meals will be available for children up to the age of 18. The meals may be picked up at the following 3 locations from 11:30 a.m. until 1 p.m. each day: Sevier Middle School, Washington Elementary School, and Jefferson Elementary School. Please be reminded that no meals will be available on Monday, July 5th due to the holiday, and the last day to pick up a meal will be on Thursday, July the 15th. Jaguars, you have worked very hard this year by wearing your mask, washing your hands, and practicing social distancing. Your willingness to work together allowed us to finish out this school year as a Jaguar family. Thank you, Jaguars. You make us so proud. This is for our remote choice learner families. On Tuesday, May the 18th, from 8 a.m. until 12 p.m. will be the designated time for you to return your Chromebooks to Jefferson. A staff member will be in the lobby area to assist you. Parents and students, please check the lost and found area for unclaimed items. There are an abundance of items that need to be matched to their rightful owners. The lost and found items will be placed outside on the patio beside the cafeteria on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of this week, so you may check for these items as long as the weather permits. They will be available on the patio from 7:30 until 4:30 each day through Wednesday. Don't forget to support Jefferson by getting your car washed between now and June 30th. This is the time of the year that is bittersweet. We celebrate the summer that is to be, and we say so long to people that have made a positive difference in our lives. So today we celebrate and say so long to Mrs. Debbie Johnson, our beloved music teacher. Mrs. Johnson has worked for Kingsport City Schools for 31 years and has made Jefferson her home away from home. So, Miss Johnson, here are some things your Jefferson family has had to say about you and your time spent with us. Mrs. Johnson is kind, compassionate, and wise. She always makes everyone feel special. She arranged the TJ Singers to come and sing to us on our birthdays. She has done an amazing job with the TJ Singers for many, many years. She always sees the best in kids and tells them how special they are. Debbie is someone who radiates joy and always has a smile on her face. Our students have had the best of the best, and she will be greatly missed at Jefferson. The following is one of Miss Johnson's former students. Mrs. Johnson has been a part of my childhood and now also my adulthood. She was my music teacher when I was a student at Jefferson. I was a proud TJ singer, and that was because of her. The excitement and joy that she had and still has about music was and is contagious. She was always one of my favorite teachers in my elementary years. To be given the opportunity to work with her as an adult has been a true joy. She is the same to me as she was when I was 6 years old. She is joyful. She is kind. She is thoughtful. She is gracious. She is truly what I hope to be as an educator. Mrs. Johnson, you have used your ideas and hands to change us for the better. You have been such a gift to our Jefferson family. We know you're going to continue to do great things. So remember, once a Jaguar, always a Jaguar, and well done, our good and faithful servant. It's time to celebrate our Jaguars who have a birthday, and I'm here to tell you there are lots of Jaguars who were born in May, June, and July. So today we honor all of our summer Jaguars, and please know that there are still some announcements following our birthday celebration. So here we go. On May the 17th, celebrating a birthday in first grade is Landon S., third grade River W. On May the 18th, in fifth grade, Chris K., third grade, Callie L. On May the 19th, in first grade, Coy B. On May the 20th, in second grade, Dylan C., and in first grade, Kaylin J. On May the 22nd, in first grade, Camden G., third grade, Paxton B. On May the 23rd, in third grade, Jack E., and in first grade, Khalil Z. On May the 25th, in kindergarten, Oliver T., and on May the 26th, in first grade, Dylan K. and Mrs. Penny, one of our custodians. Celebrating a birthday on May the 28th, in fifth grade, Bella B., in second grade, Caroline H., and in fifth grade, Evie K. On May the 29th, in fourth grade, Adeline S., and on May the 30th, in second grade, Kennedy M., Mrs. Wolf, one of our instructional assistants, and Mrs. Pierman, one of our SPED teachers. On May the 31st is Mrs. Hall, one of our ELL teachers. On June the 1st, in fifth grade, Keaton C., second grade, Keaton R., and Miss Walton, one of our second grade teachers. On June the 2nd, Miss Hughes, one of our instructional assistants, and on June the 3rd, in second grade, Noah A., and in fifth grade, Bryson S. Celebrating a birthday on June the 4th, in second grade, Elias L. On June the 6th, in third grade, Laurel K., second grade, Avie V. On June the 7th, in fourth grade, Cody D., second grade, Madison MCL, second grade, Nora Y. On June the 8th, in fifth grade, Abigail M. On June the 10th, in fifth grade, Justin B., first grade, Paxton C., second grade, Landon W. On June the 11th, in first grade, Alex W. June the 12th, in first grade, Anna Lee MCK. And on third grade, Gianna S. On June the 13th, in kindergarten, Braden H. And in kindergarten, Emily M. And on June the 15th, in kindergarten, John A., fourth grade, Hayden A., fifth grade, Annabelle B., third grade, Zane L., third grade, Zealand L., and on June the 16th, in second grade, Luther L., and on June the 17th, in second grade, Amelia C. Celebrating a birthday on June the 18th, in second grade, Abigail C., kindergarten, Andrew H., in second grade, Emmeline R., and on June the 19th, in kindergarten, Polly D., June the 21st, in fifth grade, Huntley D., second grade, Mason S., and on June the 22nd, in kindergarten, Elena G., on June the 23rd, in second grade, Finley C., June the 24th, in fourth grade, Colton V., on June the 26th, in kindergarten, Cassiana S., on June the 27th, in fifth grade, Ariana A., fourth grade, Kylie W., and on June the 28th, in third grade, Ben B., first grade, Harper F., and in third grade, Amelia L., and on June the 29th, in kindergarten, Madeline W., and on June the 30th, in fifth grade, Aiden P., and Mrs. Quillen, one of our school secretaries. And now it's for July birthdays. On July the 1st, in first grade, Dev Patel. On July the 3rd, in first grade, Eleanor C., third grade, Gage C., and in kindergarten, Cameron S. Our 4th of July Jaguars are in fourth grade, Rasha G., and in fourth grade, Om G. On July the 6th, celebrating a birthday, in first grade, Allison S. On July the 7th, in kindergarten, Andrew T. On July the 11th, in first grade, Austin F. July the 12th, in second grade, Logan B. In second grade, Xavier M. On July the 13th, in fifth grade, is Callie D. Kindergarten, Boone K. Second grade, Kaleda R. On July the 14th, in third grade, Kaylin D. And on July the 16th, in fifth grade, Sean B. And in fourth grade, Corinne B. On July the 19th, in third grade, Aubrey B., second grade, Jasmine M., fifth grade, Ross W. And on July the 20th, in kindergarten, Angel C-J., second grade, Ben F., kindergarten, Quinn J., third grade, Violet W., and Mrs. Sandra, one of our cafeteria staff. Celebrating a birthday on July the 21st, in third grade, Alvin Z., and Mrs. Christian, one of our first grade teachers. On July the 22nd, in first grade, Ariana A., first grade, Daisy B., fourth grade, Diego C., first grade, Caroline P., fifth grade, Max S. And on July the 23rd, in fourth grade, Jordan H. July the 24th, in kindergarten, Quinn F., second grade, Bentley H. On July the 25th, in third grade, TJ A., in fifth grade, Maylee H., and in first grade, Daniela M. And on July the 26th, in fourth grade, Rylan E., third grade, Owen J., third grade, AJ M., and in fourth grade, Gabe S., along with Mr. Gary, one of our custodians. On July the 28th, in third grade, Alex H., and on July the 29th, in fifth grade, Leah N. And celebrating a birthday on July the 30th, in fifth grade, Vaughn P., July the 31st, in kindergarten, Corbin H., fourth grade, London M., and in fifth grade, Miss Khalil, one of our instructional assistants. As I told you guys, we had a lot of summer birthdays. So happy birthday, dear Jaguars. Happy birthday to you. As we move into our words of wisdom time, this is a reminder that our Jefferson Elementary 5th grade promotion will be held Tuesday, May the 18th at 5 p.m. This is a reminder that it will be outdoors and you'll need to wear a mask. Bring a chair as needed, and four guests are permitted per 5th grade student. If it rains, the makeup day will be Wednesday, May 19th at 9:30. So let's move on to our words of wisdom. Hey 5th grade, you've blinked, and it's finally here. Time to head to middle school. Remember the lessons you've learned as a Jaguar. Stay inside the boundaries of all you do. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Learn from them and move on. Physical and mental health are equally important. Always choose kindness. Let your light shine and use your ideas and hands to change our world for the better. Remember, we are family. Once a Jaguar, always a Jaguar. So come back and visit us often. You will always have a home at Jefferson. Best wishes, and take our love with you. So Jaguars, this is it. Our last day of school is Wednesday, May the 19th. Dismissal is at 12:15 p.m. So have a fun and safe summer. Keep using your ideas and hands to change our world for the better this summer, and we look forward to seeing you again on Monday, August the 2nd. And now you may join your teacher for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.